I start out with an idea. Within a short period of time, the painting takes over. And I often don't paint what I started out intending to paint. If it gets me too bored, I have to do something dramatic. And this painting was very boring. One of the most important aspects of any painting that I do is color. And I often have a color scheme in mind that may or may not be what you would expect, for example, of a scene. This is a view from my window. We have a big open window that allows me to see the skyline of Boston. You can kind of see, as I'm looking out, it is the picture that was back there with all 4 window panels. There was a period of time when I painted that skyline 95 times. I just kept doing it over and over again, different colors, different feelings. This is called MRI because it reminded me of the way images look. If you image the fat in a person, for example. Much of that abstract painting is based on cells and mitochondria and things that are part of my scientific life.
Even though I was using lower cells, they're
Right.
respiring much more.
Good. The research areas that I'm most interested in are metabolic diseases, and right now I'm very focused on the thousands of food additives and alien ingredients that have come into our food supply, and the possibility that those things are behind the current obesity and diabetes epidemic. So among the things that we're doing in my lab are testing many of these things and asking whether or not things that haven't really been identified before as having any effect on metabolic function indeed have such effects. If we can demonstrate that it also pertains to human beings, then I think we can do whatever it takes to get them removed and perhaps reverse this epidemic. Many of my colleagues in science are busy all the time. If I do that, I can't think. I need to have a break to spend some time thinking and trying to figure things out. And painting provides a nice place to be. It doesn't have to be logical. It doesn't have to be explained.